What's up, YouTube? Just a quick video. Got these in the mail today. Shield Arms S15 pistol magazine, 15 round capacity, compatible with Glock 43X, Glock 48, 9x19 NATO, 9mm round. I think we already all know that. So this is the pre-order from September, and they finally showed up in the mail in 2020. So this is just going to be kind of an opening. So I ordered two. That's all I really need, you know, one for carry, one as a backup. Shield Arms recommends use of this product with a metal mag catch. Okay, I do not have that. Post down in the comments below if you guys think that's necessary or not. Here is the magazine. It looks really shiny, metal. Of course, it's metal. Has a little Shield Arms logo right there. Nice follower at the bottom. Our base plate. Got this little logo here. So that's it for you know, this one's, you know, same thing. I'll open that later. Here is the Glock 43X. Now it seats in there. There's a little bit of wobble. Holds open fine, no assistance needed. Drops right out. Now I don't know if that wobble is, you know, maybe if there was ammo in it, it might be different. I don't have any snap caps handy, but I don't think it's going to be too big of a concern. I don't have a range review yet because these literally just came in the mail. I'm hoping to get at least 100 rounds through these before I start to carry the Glock 43X with them. With that said, let me know some of your timetable, if they have appeared, if your pre-order has appeared yet in the mail, and whether you are even considering using these with your Glock 43X or 48. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Hit the like, subscribe button, and I'll talk to you later.